Here po yung hearts. Wala kang sulat.
Walang sulat. Rating sheet.
Here is the rating
May
sheet.
naman.
Wala pa, sir.
Patingin. Moral questioning. May laban, wala.
Wala pa.
Okay.
Okay.
Susulatan na.
Opo.
Wala? 1, 2,
Good morning, everybody. My name is Margie Verdaso. I am a credit competitor, assessor for hairdressing NC2. I wear my ID as a proof of my accreditation. I would like to acknowledge the presence of Ms. Sam Ariola, our processing officer, Ms. Agnes Cuba, our assessment officer, and Ms. Mercy, our representative from Texas District Office. You do not have to worry about their presence. They are here to oversee the conduct of competency assessment and to check if the conduct is in accordance with the prescribed competency assessment methodology and procedures. They will not assess you. Before I start, let me first check the attendance. So, I am giving you attendance sheet, so kindly fill out the form.
tawagin mo.
Miss Maribel San Juan,
Nasaan yung admission slip mo?
Miss Maribel San Juan, may I have your admission slip here
Tapos ID.
and your ID.
Double check mo muna. Firma.
Okay, so this sign
Problema
here.
ka dyan mismo.
Okay, thank you.
Ito.
Oh. Okay.
Question 3. Ay, balik mo.
Alright. Okay. I have here with me your accomplished self-assignment assessment guide.
Kita mo.
This is the indication that you know and can perform all the units competency enumerated on our dressing NC2. I would like to welcome you all to our Center for Your Assessment of Hairdressing NC2. The purpose of our assessment for hairdressing NC2 is to determine the level of your competency. Today, I am going to administer competency assessment for hairdressing NC2. It is the qualification level with basic competencies, common competencies, and 7
Sabi competencies lang pakipag basic at common dyan.
Okay. Sige,
Ulit.
it is the qualification level with 7 core units of competencies, namely, perform pre and post hair care activities, perform hair scalp treatment, perform basic hair coloring, perform basic hair bleaching, perform basic hair burning, perform basic hair straightening, and perform basic hair cutting. Okay. The task to be performed for our hairdressing NC2 is to perform layering technique in hair cutting. We will collect evidences through demonstration, written tests, and oral questioning. To determine your knowledge and skills for hairdressing NC2, the assessment method we will use will be written test, demonstration, and oral questioning. The assessment method can help to measure your underpinning knowledge and skills. For your personal needs, we have laboratories at the end of the hallway. You can take also your meal at our canteen. It is located at the lobby. However, during the assessment, you are not allowed to leave the premises of the assessment center. If you have difficulties understanding the given instruction, please do not hesitate to inform me because we are willing to translate it for you. Also, during the written examination, if you have dilemma writing down your answer, don't be shy because we can accept your answer verbally. If you have concerns, questions, or there's you need to clarify matters concerning the assessment, you may raise your hand because I am more than willing to assist you. But once the assessment started, please refrain from asking questions. It is no longer allowed. In the same token, If you have physical or any form of difficulties, do not hesitate to call my attention so we can address immediately. In case you have any questions regarding your assessment result, you have the right to appeal. You can submit your appeal to the TESA Provincial Office or the Assessment Center, and the assessor are accredited. For the issuance of national certificate, the AC manager will inform you where you can claim your national certificate within 5 working days after the assessment. After the assessment and you are found not competent, don't worry about it because you can be reassessed anytime at your own convenience. In case the reassessment is full qualification, you have to undergo the whole assessment process. If you found competent in some competencies, the reassessment focuses in the unit of competencies where you are found to be non-competent. Also, if you failed 2 consecutive assessments, you will be advised to undergo a refresher course before you can apply in your assessment. Now, during the actual assessment, please observe safety. Wear your PPEs as you perform the task. Make sure to check your electrical equipment before plugging it and pulling the cord as you unplug the equipment. Observe proper body mechanics when lifting heavy equipment to avoid back injury. In case of accident, please call my attention immediately so that we can provide first aid. And we should arrive, the first aid cabinet is located at the right side of the laundry workshop. With regards to the result of your assessment, we observe strictly confidentiality. This is to ensure your integrity. The results will only be made available to the authorized personnel and to the institution where you have your actual training. In relation to this, the assessment package is secured in safe place. This is to ensure your integrity of assessment package. We ask everyone to refrain giving information during the assessment process. So, do you have any questions or clarifications?
No.
Now, I will give you the competency assessment result summary. Or, please kindly
Hindi na agad. Hindi na agad.
dito po sir.
Hindi na agad. Green and shit. Parang green and shit. Sige, nandali.
Wala po. Ito po.
Sige, agad.
Okay. Do you have any questions or clarifications? If not, okay, I'm giving you the competency assessment result summary.
Ang bago ka na assessment sa late sa kanay makukuha.
Kasi ito
Ano assessment sa kanay?
after the orientation,
Agreement sheet. Calcium.
agreement sheet.
Wala kang agreement sheet. Assuming na lang kung may agreement sheet.
Okay, I'm going to give you the agreement sheet. And
Fine.
okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay, Miss San Juan, you may proceed to the institutional assessment area, please.
Hindi institutional assessment. Assessment area.
Alright, okay. You may proceed to the assessment area. Yes.
Puntahan mo na siya. Tumawa ko.
Specific instruction.
Uy, masakit ka.
Ayaw mo na dito mo.
Dito ka.
Okay.
Kasa.
Okay. Kindly read the instruction carefully, and if you have question or clarification, just call my attention. I can also translate it to your local dialect, just call my attention. Using the material, tools, and equipment, you are required to perform the task within 30 minutes. I will be observing you while you are performing the task. After the demonstration, I will ask you some questions related to your demonstration. You may call me when there is need for me to translate or explain items for clarification. After the questioning portion, I will give you feedback about your performance. Any questions, clarification? There are no more questions. You may start now. And please remind candidate to observe safety.
Kami lang. Asan yung performance test niya? Pag-release kayo niya ha, pag-nukan. Assume lang, pag-release kayo niya, hindi mo na. Basa. Baba. Ako to. Gawa ka na. Hawak ka na. Hawak ka na yan. Gawa ka na. Ikot. Ikot third. Sige, nakatalikod ka sa sensor, huwag yan.
Side view.
Side view. Boom!
Susuko na.
Nakangikot yan. Dito ka sa kabilang dito. Doon ka sa kabilang dito. Bilis-bilis. Huwag ka na kalit ng desk, pag-iisip. Tama na lang.
Okay.
Ganyan, siya mo sasabihin. Siya. Siya. Tingin. So, huwag kang tatalikod na sa ano. Kita mo agad.
Who performs basic recording sa loob?
First time.
What is the consultation important before studying haircut?
Their style.
Okay.
Ito lang. Ito lang.
Okay. PPE should be used during haircutting. Okay.
Gusto mo ba yun?
How? How was the assessment, Miss Marcus and Juan? So based on your demonstration, you have performed the client consultation according to the basic haircutting procedures. You also analyze and check the identified report client's hair condition, and you also perform well the haircutting techniques, and you perform the proper degree on doing the haircut. And okay, and the next time, please drape the client properly so that you maintain the safety of the client. And based on your oral, you have answered all the questions and you are confident of your answers. So, your underpinning knowledge was satisfactory. My satisfaction. So, please sign here. Okay. So, now, please sign. I have here the competency assessment results summary. So please sign. Your name. Okay. I'm going to give you your copy.
Copy.
Yung cars, sir.
Ha?
Cars. Kasi dito sabi daw, di ba, sir, na-present ko na rating sheets, pinapirmahan ko na rin siya. After feedbacking, nabibigay sa kanya yung rating sheet para pirmahan. And then, after nun, pina-accomplish ko yung cars. And then, binigay ko sa kanya
Yung
yung...
mama. Hindi mo siya bibigay, i-advise ko kung paano niya makukuha yung certificate mo.
Okay.
1, 2, pagkatapos ng pirma,
Ako.
and sige.
Okay. Now, you can get your national certificate of competency from the district office.
Online na yan, 3 days. Ulit. Makukuha niyo ang national certificate 3 working days on your email that na binigay niyo sa amin.
Okay po.
Ulit, 1, 2.
Okay. You can get your national certificate or the certificate of competency within 3 working days on your submitted email address. Okay na?
Congratulate mo lang.
Okay. Okay. Miss Maribel Sanman, I congratulate you. Okay, so before we leave, please help me to...
Hindi mo, huwag ka naman
Hindi na po.
congratulate mo lang. Tapos na yan.
Congratulate, thank you.
Paano pala kung ano? Paano pala kung may natin competent? Paano pala kung may natin competent? Paano mo siya gagawin?
Okay.
Bukod ulit, patingin na paano kang mag-feedback. Paano ka mag-feedback ng natin competent?
Isa lang, sir.
Simula sa pagkumusta.
Okay.
Ano lang yun ha? Backup nyo lang yun ha?
Opo.
Backup nyo lang yan.
Okay. How was the assessment, Miss Sanwan? Hard. Okay. So based on your demonstration, you did not perform the...
Agad? Agad? Bigyan mo naman muna ako ng kunting kasiyahan bago...
okay, sige. Akala ko
Bago
sir.
ka?
Okay. Okay. How was the assessment, Miss Maribel Sanwan? Okay. You actually performed the basic hair cutting, and you also sectioned the hair in the nape, but you did not perform the layering technique on your task, and you did not also finish the task within the allotted time. And your oral questioning also, you did not answer all the questions, and you are not sound confident to your answer. So, Ms. Maribel Sanwan, I am sorry, you were not able to perform within the standard requirements of the qualification. You have to review, practice the activities related to the competency requirements of the qualification further. You come back after a month of assessment or when you feel confident enough that you have acquired the competence. Don't worry, you will only be assessed on the part of the activity that you were found to be not yet competent. So,
Pirma.
that's it.
Pirma. Ng cars. Kailangan rating sheet mo na.
Rating sheet.
Pero ng rating sheet, tapos pero ng cars. And yun lang. Okay?
Okay.
Kung nandito, yun ang gagawin nyo kung option 2, napagawan kayo kung may isang not yet competent. Pero ang original na gagawin natin, puro silang pang-competent, okay?
So, sir, backup yun.
Backup lang yun.